Hi, Peter. How are you? Yeah, I'm Kelsa.
Good. How about afternoon, say 4 o'clock or 4:30? It's not too hot.
Yes, perfect.
Okay. And how many people are going to show up?
1, 2, 3, 4.
Four.
How many people are coming?
4 people.
4 people. And who are those 4 people? They are from the city or they are?
No. From upstate, Walden.
Oh, from Walden. Oh,
Yep.
okay. All right.
Mm-hmm.
That's okay. So I'm going to do the directions. You know, we have the COVID-19. We just have to keep the social distance.
Mm-hmm.
You know that, right?
Yeah.
Okay. No. Okay. Then let's set up for 4 o'clock then.
All right, sir.
I'm going to give you a direction and address. All right.
Yeah, the address is okay. I'm gonna put your address on my GPS. Then GPS gonna take
Yes,
me.
I'm going to send you the text message now. Okay?
All right, Peter. Then see you on
Very
4
good.
o'clock.
Yeah.
All right. Okay.
집도 혼자다.
Okay, that's Hawaii now.
근데 저녁이다. Oh yeah, that's the one. That's the one. That's the one. Yep. Of course, 이마도 믿어. 옵션 믿어. 당연한 데데.
227 red.
127 less.
127 red.
그래 돼. 들어와. 아니 한국에 하고 있어요. 일나지. 어디?
Yeah. If you want to see my garden, yes.
All of the Peter la getting onto la Shingatap farm tatang labgire onto teaching kunchapling la farm mandala farm la jire te khorarang ge ngima onto la ngote nang che ani ngote te tabjore yabushu chayore tarin khorang ge nang la te onto le di yo ani khorang ge Shingatap tang to labgi songodo ani number zombe tene siro che to chena.
This is the vegetable farm, vegetable garden. I started about 5 years ago. It's double the size. I cannot manage it, so I reduced to half the size now.
Okay.
So I can take care of. Okay, I used to grow garlic. Whoa, lovely. You know the garlic, anybody eat garlic? Do you eat garlic, right?
Yes, garlic is medicine. Very
Most
nice.
of the garlic you buy in the supermarket, no oil, dry. I grow orchid, I grow the garlic, they are very oily. Very good, taste very good. And then I grow all kind of vegetable. And this year, I was able to get Chinese vegetable seed. So I start to grow some Chinese vegetable. Okay, to grow vegetable, first thing you want to understand the pH value.
pH value. What's that mean?
It's a acidic or the young man here, you know pH value. What is the value from 1 to
1 to 14.
got it, beautiful. Yeah, 1 to 14. And what is a 7?
1 to 7 is acidic, and
Yeah.
7 to 14 is basic.
That's
7
right.
is neutral, that's water.
So in terms of vegetable, they have to be sometime in 6 to 7. If they are too acidic or too soil, and then it's no good. You have the first thing you want to do is to test the soil to see their pH value. Okay, if the pH value is right and the soil is right, then you can grow. All right.
I see.
So let's check it out.
Let's check it out.
All right.
거기 정확하게서
pH value.
pH value 근데 정확하게서 들라다.
pH value 요 이게 acidic 래 basic 래 하고.
아네.
acid 그지 acid 망타는 튼 survive 지게 말어.
오케이.
bro.
소일도 무조건 시고래.
Oh. Soil like anything.
I see.
The fence is a big project. You know why?
Fence.
The animal, the groundhog, they can dig it and they can still come in. And therefore, when you do your fence, I told any conga, it's a big project. You have to dip into it
All right.
and have a fence. If you don't do that,
Right.
they come in,
Woodchucks,
they
like all
enjoy, they
other-
have a
yeah.
birthday party. Oh, they're lovely. Okay. So, this, okay.
아니 펜스 당고디 싱갈라 펜스로 펜스 야고 고레 사와니 말 냄네 가이스나 셈진 카시 사 투니 용고도 와 싱가 참 돌아 당 그레스 어디 성도
Different kind of bed. This is called rest bed.
Okay.
It's higher.
Oh,
When you are getting old,
you can't go down too
you
much.
go
Yeah.
down. So that's why, like this one here, rest bed.
all right
See? So you can
Easily
right
walk.
here. This is going to have a bean.
Oh, okay.
Bean is going to climb over.
all right
Mm-hmm.
Bean, pea or beans. Okay.
when will come bean
Yeah, this is well. I just planted.
oh
You
I
right
see
here?
I see I see it
You see it?
yes
It just
yes
pop
yes
out.
yeah it's coming out
Coming
yep,
out.
right
yeah,
there
Yeah, bean, yeah.
See here.
There's a bean here. And this one,
데 메 겐고도 졸라 아니 케바 구구치 마통게도 졸라 답데 우슈요 레시야 톰보텐데 서바이나
yeah, and then this one I already feel they can climb up.
they're beautiful
Extremely
nice
They can climb
oh
up.
yeah
They can climb up. They're going to go up. And this tomatoes is going to be this tall.
Mm-hmm.
So you have to prepare for it and support it. Otherwise, they fall down.
Yeah, right.
You have no. So you have to do like this.
살도라 사운드 야갈리
Yeah.
코티 타녀도다 사운드 야갈리
Okay. This is a typical Chinese vegetable.
Bak choy. Bak
Yeah,
choy?
pak choy. You got it. Yeah.
In
right.
temple mandala farm.
Mandala
we
farm.
pick so many.
Yeah, so many.
Yeah.
This is okay.
아니 디 Chinese 키 스페셜 타체 믹스 체레 도와 디 박조이 라이더 도와 제단 박조이 디 녜긴 카칭기 마 카르톤스나 liver
Okay.
disease 라 페마스 야부 요레스
Okay.
펜도
One more thing very important.
Mm-hmm.
Sometimes you want to harvest, right?
Mm-hmm.
If you harvest too late, they're all flowers.
I see
No good. You don't want the flowers.
right
Before they get flowers,
Mm-hmm.
all the plant they want to have their second generation, they always want to get a flower.
I see
And flower, then you get a seed. You get seed, then you get generation, second generation, right? So this one, when you harvest, you want to have a knife to cut this way.
Mm-hmm.
You don't want to touch the soil.
Oh, just like top here.
Yeah, always use a knife, scissor to cut it.
yeah then they don't
They will pop again.
okay so
They will
no,
pop out again.
no they don't give the flower
Don't touch the soil.
Yeah, you
I
get
see.
here always,
Okay.
yeah, like this.
Yeah, I cut it.
Yeah.
Oh,
then
I
they
see.
will go here.
Yeah, that's right. Okay. Now, my point is this. I did not use any chemicals.
right it's all it's
So it's okay. If you have some of the farmers market, they want to see this one here.
right
Doesn't look good, but this is natural.
right I
No
understand.
chemicals.
sure
If they are totally no hole,
Then some
then
of the
they are
chemical,
chemicals.
right I see
And therefore, you should not have that.
I understand that's good
Don't touch the soil.
Oh,
Otherwise,
okay.
most of the time the soil, and when you wash it,
I
you not
see.
wash slowly, you get sick.
okay I see
That's why you have to cut it, and then you're okay.
I
Do
see.
you see this one here?
The
the
plastic?
plastic
Plastic in the bottom.
oh so for weed control
That's right. You got it. Very smart. Yeah, we have weed control. So I put the plastic cover first. Then I put compost and topsoil. Then I grow. That's how you.
you eat this also right
Yeah, this can be it. You're right.
the salad
Yeah. This,
Watercress?
what
Yeah.
Is this
I don't
watercress?
know how to say.
watercress no
Yeah, yeah,
this is
this
no
is-
watercress
yeah,
this
this
is
is okay.
something else
This is okay.
I forgot the name but they call
Yeah,
something
yeah.
else
Ah,
Yeah.
that looks like watercress, yeah.
the watercress mare
Ah.
Yeah. Okay. Here. You know what is this?
potato
Got it. This is potatoes.
Yeah.
Yeah, potatoes. Okay.
Ah,
And then
yeah.
this one is not ready yet.
oh I see
I put I build the compost, and then gradually I'm going to put some of the compost there, and then I can start to grow. But usually, want to reach that far, you cannot go too far.
Mm-hmm.
So this is the maximum you can go. My hand can reach. in
지마
middle,
두고도
I see.
Okay, like this is good.
어떤 디 답당 그 디자인 치도가네 아니 디니 파 락바 지마 버던 여야체 아니 파존은 도도가네 파존이 락바 지마 버던 여 거와 아니 테디 답당 당 싱가 내가 치야라 되오 요레스
Yeah,
딜리 치야서요 마레스
that's right. You have to measure it, and also you want to hide. If you want to grow carrots, carrots you don't eat leaf. You eat the root.
right
They are deep root, so you have to keep enough
Enough space.
for them
okay
to
that's
go
good
into it.
good to
That's
know
for carrots. For vegetable, shallow. 2 inch. That's good enough. But for carrot, you have to 6 to 8 inch,
okay
so they can grow.
Yeah, right.
That's the difference. All right. Good.
kan yon jan dir bazam ke yagal
Yeah.
It's the beets here.
This is
you have a kale
kale. You got it. Yeah, that's
you have an
kale.
onion
Onion, yes.
you have a long pepper
Brown pepper, yes. Okay.
and that's asparagus
asparagus,
Thai basil.
yes.
oh you got Thai basil too oh yeah
Oh yeah, it smells so good. I love
and this is
Thai
beet
basil.
I
you got
guess
Thai.
beet
Yeah, that's a peach. Yeah, that's a peach. The peach.
yeah but a lot of variety of vegetable here
Yeah, that's right.
That's good.
Okay.
and that's a spinach
Yeah, spinach. Yeah, that's right.
Oh,
Okay.
interesting.
spinach
So
then
the,
these are look like collard green
This one here, this is asparagus. You have to wait another 2 years.
oh I see
Usually, you don't have the
Yeah, there's
harvest.
coming some here.
Oh, you saw one there.
Yeah.
Yeah. Good. Oh, yeah, that's right. That's one there.
어디 짤 자다 선선
Yeah.
this asparagus dela
Yeah,
chedo
asparagus,
asparagus re chedang asparagus tapne loni ge jela ani
Yeah.
khonzo didau ragi yore sigdo loni bado ragi mares kaisana khonzo ge root de chembo gogu yosarwa o dire do
The plant is the asparagus plant. Shingle.
Okay. I think that's pretty much. Any other questions?
He has question. Dr. Andy.
Okay. Sometimes you want to put in a container, and it's because you can carry anywhere you want to go.
right
So make easier for you. Okay. Sometimes that's what you do. You see like this? Like this one? This is good. This vegetable, right?
right
Like this one, you see, no good. There's no leaf,
Oh, I
but
see.
they have
Seeds on there.
seeds there.
Uh-huh.
That's difference, okay? And whenever I have anything I can decompose, that's a compost. So I can use that to feed.
ada de lu so dang ge ko re sha shogam ja dang cha dau dang de nyam do de pong chen ko ru do ro ko ru do de ga ne ani te lu cha do res
Okay, when you cut the lawn, that's for compost.
Oh,
I see
When you collect the leaf, tree leaf,
you
where
can keep
is
it
it? Where is it?
Oh
Tree-
dear.
Yeah, that is compost.
oh okay
Yeah, so I don't buy any fertilizer from store. I make my own fertilizer. Yeah, that's the
oh
idea.
that's a good to
Yeah,
know ani de lu de nyoga ya yo mar so so rang ge so cho res sing loma dang cha tup jo dang shogam dang khari na de jen so cho res ani de chidang ge de sing ga tap so su du ga ne tabya ko khari me de dang bo ne sembala ha ko go ya ke chen bo res pe na cha sha na labu ma bo dang labu ka bo de tabya ina inch dun je che ge res ring bo de du ga ne khorang ge tap sa te la inch dun je ge labu dosa ge sa de sha go res che shemba dawo ina panda bak choi dang peche dawo do ina inch ni sum ge de ge res oda du de dang bo ne chashi de go ya de ke chen bo yin sare lega khari che na ani ta peter la ge khar song ta go yang
Couple months he's grown.
Did you? The Peter
Find
Session.
the Thai basil.
Oh, I can grow.
Yeah, if you grow, then I talk with him.
Yeah,
You can sell him.
yeah.
아니 그러나 돼
Wow.
메도 빼마게 파운 야부도 메도 빼마 마부 제샤 yellow lotus ani chu khase go go do singal tabiala semte me do
The natural grow or you see?
This one,
ye nga do singa tama te ne de la cha da thong la do cha da thong sa
this one, dumpling sauce. Chili.
Yes.
And this one is aged soy sauce from Middletown,
Wow.
organic Middletown.
All right.
Right?
Thank
And
you
there's
so much.
something for you also.
de sha thank you
Okay.
ha kun je ni je
Cool, Dr. Andy.
so
In case you want to grow vegetable, there are
Oh.
all kind of seeds. In case,
Wow.
yeah, you pick up whatever you like. Some of the seeds.
ni pa na nga tabiala wo
There's a carrot.
Wow.
Ah, okay. Pick up whatever you like.
All right, Peter.
And I'm
Thank
going
you.
to serve you the good tea.
oh thank
Okay, I'll be
you
right
Thank
back.
you.
All right. And enjoy this.
oh yeah thank you ta de peter la ke ngan zo la de one thane thu to dance da sayad da ma da sha ni je
This one, but you can
you can make it tight
make
yeah.
it tight.
Yeah, you can
And-
put. You have to put something here, then
Yeah.
it will go tight.
Okay. Then you can do like this.
Oh. Okay, I see.
되게 제일 좋아.
Yeah.
님 좀 해야 그래.
Some. Yeah.
내 같은 돌견 되지 맞는 날지.
Busan, you did it.
You got
I'm
it.
not good in that.
Ah,
like this,
come
yeah.
on. That's right. Good. Yeah. Good, good. You don't have to hold like this.
Right.
You just do like this.
Oh, right. 내가 보다. 근데 니만 더 지금 요거 텐데 삼도 찍어야 돼.
그린 유인은
Yeah.
The African style.
가는 예. 근데
그거는
가인 거 어때라 지리 가는 거.
Punjabi haji dunga. Don't.
찌 락바이 동거 찌
There should be open. That's right. Not.
Right.
Yeah, you have to open. Yeah, that's it. Yeah. Boom. Boom, 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 boom.
대를
어, 야, 다음 마선 좀 해지 땅 거. 나 쥐어지 땅 지나서 와.
Good.
마선 좀 쉐라 보루세 마지막은 엉갱우니 소소라의 예시 되어봐 내 손자의 염제 다시쇼
너무 배워쳤어.
Thank
you so much.
Good, good.
Oh, yeah.
Thank you. God
Okay.
bless you. Then see you soon.
하여튼 난 이번에 더 마다 제 잠부치 칼라테 당어도 돌더니. 바이바이.